Alright guys, well, I thought I'd do an unboxing on this kit that my wife gave me. That she said I could have it. And she said go ahead, build it, and have fun with it. And that's what I'm going to do eventually. But let's do a unboxing on the all 5 kits. This is 5 generations of the Corvettes. We have C1, C2, C3, C4. I think, yeah. So this is C1 through C4. So I'm going to get that plastic off and show you guys what's in the box. Okay, upon opening the kits, okay, let's start with the oldest to the newest. We have a 53 Chevy kit right here. I ain't going to pull the plastic out of the parts because there's a lot of different kits in here. But this is the 53 Chevy. Um, as you can see, there's all the parts for that one. Here is the 57 Corvette. All the parts for that, molded in brown, which is unusual. Second one molded in brown I got. So that's the 57 Corvette. Then we have the 63 Corvette convertible. That's a very cool one. Second one for me like this. Alright. And we have the 72 Corvette. That's an unusual blue. I like that blue. That's very cool. There's that one. Here's all the parts for this. Very cool kit. Okay. And then we have the 96 Corvette. Very cool. And yeah, very, very cool. All the kits sealed up, all the parts there. So I love my C4 Corvettes, so you know me, guys. And then we have the glass. I believe this is for this is for the C3. And that's the, I think the 57 or 57 Corvette, I think. Then this is for the 1996 Corvette. This is for the C3 Corvette, 72. Then this is the 53 Corvette right here. Very cool. And let's see. We have chrome trace. This is for, it looks like the 57 Corvette. Either 57, yeah, that's 57 Corvette. Yeah, that'd be the 57 Corvette right there. Then this would be the 63 Corvette. Then this would be the 72 Corvette. And, oh, we have the glass for windshield for the 63 Corvette. And we got the 53 Corvette right here. And we got tires up the butt here. Let's see. Got plenty of tires. So we should have 5 sets of tires. Let's see. And probably some custom ones too. If they have a 2-in-1. Yep, looks like we have some custom tires plus some stock tires. And yeah. So we have custom and stock tires. Tail lamps for everything. Decals, they look okay. And that one looks okay. A little yellow one, but it looks okay. All instructions. Let's see. More decals. More instructions. Another Corvette decals. 57, more tires. And more tires. So, and we have 2 axles. I think that is correct. Because we got 1. That one don't use rods. 2. That don't use axles. 3. This one uses axles, I know. So if it's based on the coupe, then it will use an axle. This one does not use an axle. That's 57. And I know that one don't use axle. That's a 53. So, that is the Corvette unboxing. That is the Corvette Evolution Kit, C1 through C4. Thank you guys for watching Doug's Model Garage's videos, and have a great day, guys. All right, bye.